So let's see how we can create this beautiful daily planner on Canva for free. So what you would do, you would access your Canva page and you would go and you would create a design. So the nice pad that I would like to create, I'm going to use the flyer size. You create a blank size. So you could rename and call it your daily planner so that you keep track of your designs. And once it's created, you're going to change color. I'm going to go with blue because I want the nice blue background of the pad itself. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that I'm able to maneuver and add information on there. So once you've changed your background, I'm suggesting that you have a service that you can create pads for different kinds of businesses. You could put beautiful affirmations and different logos could also be added. So you could have a service where you're saying, I will create a daily planner for you that has your logo and that has an affirmation that you could use and tear off as you go about doing your day to day. So you could go Google daily affirmations and then pick anyone and then you start from there. And once you've chosen your affirmation, you're going to go to your text and then you're going to add a text. I'm going to change the color and make the background of the color white. I'm going to add text again, and this time you want a subheading and you want it to be a daily planner. Change color to white for that as well. And then you start adding your elements. So with your elements, you're going to go to lines and shapes, and then you're going to add your elements. So this would be my day element. I want it to be sized that it is half of the daily planner itself so that I can have the other half and I can add more content. Now I have all of my blocks. All I do now is to add text for all of these sections that I've created now. And with my schedule, I'm going to have lines going all the way down. So I press L for line, and then I change the weight of the line, make it smaller line, like a 2. And then I will have my lines going across all the way down. So I would copy this and put it underneath there and do exactly the same for all of them. Okay, if you want to have your lines aligned, you just highlight all of them, you go to position, and then you vertically align them. And then they are tidy and they are spot on, and you are happy with your lines, and they look like that. Cool. Now I'm going to add another, and I'm going to change that to white. So that I can have text going that way, for priorities. And then lastly, on this box, I'm going to add a tick box for all of them. So I'm also going to add another tiny box like that. Change color to the dark blue and lighten the color a little bit, and then have the priority box like that. And I'll duplicate this and add it for all of them. And my tick boxes are added. Lastly, I'm gonna use this little box and add water intake, and then I'm gonna add additional notes for the box at the bottom. Just to encourage people to drink water, I'm going to look for an element of water as a graphic, and I'm going to scroll, and this one looks perfectly fine, and you're going to size it and make it a small size. Okay. Like that. So if you wanted to align these, you just click all of them like this, go to position and horizontally align them so that they are spot on. And there's your planner. All you do now, you can download it as a PDF suggested, and or if you want to share it as a PNG, you can go and share it as a PNG, and that is your work done. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video so that YouTube can show the video to more people and we can help a lot more people. I'll see you next time when you say, I am designing.